Osumi ewomne da etosomienu na enchechere ne ntete bi efrase wo mangana mu ha NCC adwumayefo na wo yede ama oshraj ensentrefo ene nyumeku ahodo no ane nyina na mketase dream ene kankan ya ekoso wo mangana mu sane yebetumi etu ase o ye nnwumemu na atretre akọ omangana fa ne nyina nempo atrahye akọ amanya ahodo so Osumi ewomne da etosodumi ensa na wode ne nyina ebebe wieye na Transparency International Ghana na edianim
Sedebe ne katahyehe ene prayer ekoso mangana mu ha etu betwa na afenso emra hodo ewo mu no betime jambranti enam so amene eye Transparency International Ghana wakohia dwendwen kwan a obefa so na mangana mu ha mra ne betimi aboa ne katahyehe no ye betimi akon ede from yi emu wo chese ne maboni a ekoso mangana mu ha ntimi muama omanyi enya ne naso kra esanse sede mpanifo bi ebo homodin hwe so omanyi betimi afa ne ntumapa efra no na nso ehyekyire eye niema ensana enfata enam katahyehe ene proye enti anunam so ema executive director edema Transparency International Ghana eye Madam Mary Ada ejina so ede ensem say eto central for enim.
Perhaps I'm being a pessimist, but I've seen it happen and happen and happen. I am not, and I said it. I've said it on various platforms that what we expect is not hurried solutions. What we expect is not rhetoric. We expect thorough investigations accompanying some of these, so that when they go to court, we can find the sanctions that we want to dissuade people from engaging in corruption. Anti-corruption institutions have a platform within which they operate. I also know that the investigative bodies who have the powers of court, like the police, the OSP, YOCO, also have an operating MOU of sorts that they use to engage. And so maybe we should ask Mr. Ejebe what he meant by not receiving cooperation, from which office and for what, because I know they work with others.